Okay, so the best way that I found to withdraw your money from Tradersway is using Vload. Actually, that's the only option that Tradersway gives me, so hopefully they give you that option as well. So what you want to do is go to vload.expert and create an account. I'm already signed in. Let me sign out real quick so I'll show you really quick. So boom. It'll just say sign in at the top. You click sign in and then click register. But I'm going to sign in. Okay, so once you are registered, you'll need to go ahead and update your account information and get your account verified and upgrade some tiers. You'll start at tier 1, which only allows you to fund like $500 to your account. So if you wanted to invest more, you obviously need to bump up. But to get paid, I don't think it really matters. But still, I just say bump up anyways, just so there's no delay. So to bump up in tiers and get to your money, you're gonna go to My Documents. And you're gonna click each one of these squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do upload the documents that need to be uploaded. You may have more squares. If you do, click each one of them and do what it says. So like for credit card scan. I know actually this is how you put money on your Tradersway, but anyway, this is how you do it. It shows you exactly. Take a picture, cover up all the digits, only need last 4, first and last name, blah blah blah. Okay, upload. Card authorization form, you just click it to print it out, or you click it to fill it out online and sign it digitally. Bank statement, there's no, they don't want screenshots or business accounts, so you gotta send in your bank statement no older than 1 month from the current date. Needs to be in your name and match the address you have on record. Obviously, you can just switch it out if it's not right. I mean, just make everything align, just like your Tradersway has to align. Okay, and then this is the main form, I believe, that they asked for. But anyways, go ahead and get that. Just do it digitally, since that's the fastest way, unless you have like a printer and scanner and all that kind of stuff. I don't, so this was faster for me. Also, I just want to make note of this option, this chat option. This says currently replying in under 9 minutes. Anytime I've had any type of issue, I've always been able to just contact support in this chat, and they actually save the chat, so like you can go back and get the information that you need. Definitely utilize this chat. It's replying pretty fast and they'll get your account squared away. Like, let's say you uploaded, you're still waiting for verification and it's been over an hour. Hit them up on the chat. They will verify you right then, once they, of course, get to the chat. Okay, so boom. Also, you're going to need to put in your bank account information so you can get the direct deposit from your Tradersway voucher. But that's really it, how you set up your Vload, so you can just go ahead and do the Tradersway. And I've Tradersway Withdrawal, and I already did the full video on how to basically go into Tradersway, make the withdrawal, and then come back into Vload and process it. But I didn't show how to like set up your Vload account, so I just wanted to quickly go through that. Literally, it's so easy. Just click here, do what it says, upload. Click here, click one of these, sign it, fill it out, sign it. Get a bank statement that you're trying to put your money into, and send it, and then fill it out, sign it, send it. You know, it's really quick. There you go. See, it gets approved very fast. Bank account has to get verified, so you have to do the bank statements and then also fill out your account number, routing number, blase blase squaze. Okay, and so if you have any other questions, drop them in the comments. But yeah, that's how you set up your Vload account so you can make your Tradersway withdrawal.